Chitariki isano nemo chomotinyo kabere neritko gochengerwa ensengima asogotasarwa kwa bana banyaruka moyogoyo monene nigokorekana asegeti Nyankongo ime county ya Kisii asebyombe ao byarobekana na gokoretaro yabo korwa chabisi che county commissioner wikasegeti ekyo Douglas Arege uyore director ya Youth Gender and Social Services nigaikirana asomo yegoyo asatebirenga nachikobwatirana nebyombe binde elyo kwenekyanga abana gekorwa gyokosara abana baiseke ngoera korwa kerime ya Kisii.
We are gathered here to mark the International Day on Zero Tolerance of Female Genital Mutilation. We've just had a walk from the County Commissioner's office through the streets of Kisii town to Nyankongo Primary School, where the day is being marked today. I want to take this opportunity to thank all of you for sparing time to come. We are coming here to present the girl child so that we give her a voice, so that she can be able to fight for her rights and her rightful position in society. As the county government of Kisii, we are working towards zero tolerance of female genital mutilation. And as a government, we've had 3 policies in place that are working towards protecting the girl child. One of the policies is the Child Protection and Welfare Policy. We also have the Gender Policy and the Youth Policy. Soon we are working on the Social Protection Policy, and what we believe is that these policies, when in place, will be able to support the government and the other stakeholders to work towards promoting rights and the welfare of the child, and especially towards eliminating female genital mutilation in Kisii. We have 7 years as Kisii and Kenya to eliminate female genital mutilation within our communities.
Boigo bana dijesor uyuruma assistant county commissioner nere nigaikirana asomo yegoyo asate babuna onde bwensi ora chikonyorekana kagokorege korekyo na emokwe getambokero egetindi.
My name is Bernard Chisoli, an assistant county commissioner from Kisii Central Sub-County. We've made efforts, the voice has reduced, and we are on the lookout to look out for any perpetrators who are going on with this act. And we, as the government, we have officers on the ground, the chiefs, assistant chief, and we also bring together all stakeholders from the county government, CBOs, NGOs, to work together to collaborate our efforts. Because when we come together, we have synergy. Where one organization is not firm, there's a loophole. It's been filled by the other organization, so that we ensure that this vice is perfectly handled to ensure that we achieve the zero tolerance to our girls.
Boigo munyagitari Magdalene Gesare nere nigaikirana ase omoyogoyo.
Name is Dr. Magdalene Gesare Magangi, Agenda and Development Expert. I have focused on female genital mutilation. Right now, girls below the age of 5 years are the target. So even as we are going out sensitizing our community, we are forgetting that we have children who do not even know what the clitoris is or even why it is being cut. And it is our responsibility, all of us, to come out and speak for those small children. A large percentage of the girls who are being cut right now are children, and they are being cut by medics. Everybody who's going out there taking their daughter to be cut, the logic behind that still remains cultural. So as a community, while we are saying we bring to an end FGM, we should also sit down as a community and address the cultural aspect that brought this on board, because the parents still want to cling to their culture, and they feel that their culture is something worth hanging on to. They do not want to ignore it. This girl is complete, whether she's cut or not. We have to go out there as a community and speak about it. Another thing, secrecy. We are doing it as top secret, and because we are conducting it under the cover of the dark, the world out there does not even know. It only becomes alarming when the statistics come out that now, you know, our girls, a good number are being cut. But if you ask anybody, even among us, those who are standing here, if you ask them, has your daughter been cut? They'll say no. This practice is in our community. We talk about it. We seek aid. Because even the organizations that are here, they cannot do it on their own. The county government cannot do it on their own. National government has an allocation. There is the anti-FGM board, and they are running their activities. But if we do not come out and say, as the Kisii community, we feel embarrassed that this is going on and it's happening in secrecy. If we do not call out to the national government to come and help us end this, we may not succeed.
Wigo munyakerugo wekombe kia musocho in Kenya CBO na kira kiungegerania somo yegoyo ase bateba mna bachikobwatira na serikali na ndimba genderete kugikiria ikekore ki.
My name is Masala Mora Nsongo from Musocho Enya CBO. We are here today to celebrate the Girl Child internationally for zero tolerance for FGM. We have started this project since 2004 and we have protected over 40,000 girls. We use a unique approach, which is value-centered approach. We listen to the ideas of the people. We don't judge them. We give them knowledge according to scientific research, and then we leave them to decide by themselves. So men, women, youth, let us join hands together to protect our girl child in the whole of Kisii County.
My name is Future Justin. I represent the office of the Kisii County Woman Rep, Honorable Donya Dori Saburi, as the office manager. And during our August and December holidays, we usually conduct anti-FGM campaigns where we organize booty camps for our girls from all the 9 sub-counties. From the past 2 years, we have done, we did the first one at Omobera Primary and Boarding School, where we trained girls on various aspects, fight against FGM, booty camp. We also did, last year, we did an anti-FGM campaign at Induru Girls, where we sensitized our girls to say no to FGM and the rest. So as the office, through the kitty of NGAF, the National Government Affirmative Action Fund, there is a program that we call county-wide projects where we do proposals to the National Government Affirmative Action Fund to support this program where they provide us with items, they provide us with airtime and facilitate our trainers to train, especially the medics and also from the traditional aspect, to train our young girls, to train our mothers, to train our fathers. All it is a collective effort to try and fight this vice from the county and from the country. So we are much aware about the plight of a girl child, and we stand with every girl child, and we will foster forward to fight this fight to the end.
Danger!